play for 3 states, you put out 3 states. Let's call it one phase. So right now you are playing for Jharkhand, you are playing for Tamil Nadu, you are playing for Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh has 4 seats, Tamil Nadu has 39 seats, Jharkhand has 14 seats. Now on each of these cards, you have certain things such as who has more bonus over here. So NDA has a +1, UPA has a +2. So on this, let's say you are in Jharkhand and you get a 4 as NDA and you get a 3 as UPA, your effective score really will be 4 plus 1 5 for NDA and 3 plus 2 5 for UPA. So even though your scores on the dice are equal, because let's say in Jharkhand the UPA is more popular, so this effective score is really equal even though your dice says something else. So these things are added onto the dice. On top of it, every player at the start of the game gets some resources. He gets 3 types of resources. One is what is called as the smear cards. These are all positive cards. You get 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm just showing a 5. And you get smear cards. So these smear cards are like -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay. So what this bribe card does, or a positive card does, is when you place this card, that number is added to your effective score for each of these states. For example, you throw the dice, then this 5 will be added to the 4. So your effective score is 9. Now the thing is, once you use this bribe card, it's out of the game. You are done with it. You can't use it again. And the way the smear card works is, if I place a smear of -1 on the other player, then his score will be subtracted by -1. By 1 really. So his effective score will be 3 minus 1, 2. Now the way the smear card is different than the bribe card is, once I smear somebody, this card doesn't go away. This card, even though this person's score is reduced, the card now is given to that other player. So once you smear, the other person has the opportunity to smear you back using your own attack. So you have to be very careful when you use your smear and your bribe cards. Okay. So you place, after every state, after these states are lined up, you place as much as 2 cards at a time. Okay. If there are 2 players, then you can place up to 2 cards at a time. If there are 3 players, you can place 3 cards at a time, face down, so the other person doesn't know. And then when the dice is thrown and the scores are out, you can open up, add your scores over here and see what your effective total is. Okay. So that adds an element of strategy. Now the other element of strategy is Narendra Modi starts from Gujarat. Rahul Gandhi starts from Uttar Pradesh, because his current state is in Uttar Pradesh. So let's say the elections are in Odisha. Okay. So in order to go to Odisha, Rahul Gandhi has to cross 1 and 2 states in order to go to Odisha and give speech over there. So once you are in that state, what happens is you can give a speech and drum up support. So you get a +4 bonus if you are in the state where the election is being conducted. So if there are 3 states, what you can do is you can travel to all these 3 states. For example, if there is an election in Jharkhand, you can go 1, 2, and then there is an election in Tamil Nadu, 3, 4, 5, and then there is an election in Himachal Pradesh, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I mean, you can choose your path more properly. Now every person gets what are called these tickets. Okay, these tickets, depending upon how many states you have crossed, you have to use of these tickets and give away these tickets. Okay, so if you crossed 5 states, you have to give 5 tickets, and once the tickets are used up, you can't use them again. So you start with 20 tickets, and you have to be careful about how you use your tickets. For example, if there are states like Manipur and Mizoram, which are really small states, then and if you are in Gujarat, you don't want to travel all the way to Manipur and Mizoram to give a speech, because it's really a bad utilization of your resources. So there is an element of strategy over here as well. Okay, so if you give a speech, then you get a bonus of +4. So if you get a 4 over here, then you add 4 to that, then your effective score is 8, and depending upon how much you have on your cards, that gets added to your score as well. Okay, so that's how the resources are used. Now another element is you can earn tickets as well. You can do fundraising. For example, if you stay in your home state, for example, Narendra Modi's home state is Gujarat, and let's say the elections were in Jharkhand, Bihar, etc., and he doesn't travel and he stays in his home state for the entire round, then at the end of that round he gets money, and that money he gets in the form of tickets. So if you stay in your home state, you get 4 tickets back. Okay, so another aspect is sometimes randomly with the state cards, sometimes you have the election commission card. Now if the election commission card comes up, that means the election commission is enforcing its rules. You cannot use a smear, you cannot use a bribe.